Hey, my friend Garrett Berry here. I just wanted to share with you that I was able to generate another $2,000 commission yesterday just using the exact affiliate program myself and my team have been using these last few months now. Now, I want to share with you a result real quick. If I go into email, you're going to be able to see right here that it says, "Hey Garrett, congratulations, you've just earned a $2,000 commission." Now, this actually came in while I was out eating lunch with some friends. And it really goes to show you that once you set things up, this can really work for you while you're out doing other things. Now you can see right here that in my affiliate dashboard, I've been able to generate $58,957 just using, again, this exact very simple process. So what I want to share with you is I want to actually share with you how you can access the same exact affiliate marketing campaign that I'm using, that my team is using, to get some pretty amazing results. And the best part is that when you make a referral inside of this specific affiliate program, you make 100% commissions. So I want to ask you a question. Are you an affiliate marketer? And have you been currently promoting products out there? Maybe you've been driving free traffic, or maybe you've been using some paid traffic to get clicks to your link. But I want to ask you, are the products you've been currently promoting paying you 100% commissions, right? Because if they're not, I hate to say it, but you're doing the wrong thing. Because if you want to pay off your bills, if you want to scale your business, if you just want to make the most amount of money you can, and you're still giving away 50% or more in some cases to the product creator, then you're really leaving a lot of money on the table. And the great thing about using our specific marketing campaign with this specific high ticket, instant paying, 100% commission program is, again, there's really no middleman. When you make a referral, you get that money, and it's not just 100%, it's also instant. So you get that money instantly into your bank account. So what I want to share with you is just 3 simple steps you can follow in order to duplicate our campaign and start to create results for yourself as well. Number 1 is there's going to be a link directly below this video. I want you to click that link and watch that full overview video. You're going to find out much more information. It should answer your questions, okay, if you have specific questions as far as what affiliate program is this or how to sign up. You'll find that inside of that overview video. So you want to watch that full overview video, pay close attention to it. Step 2 is you want to choose a package to join at, one that's best for you. Now, you will receive bonuses no matter what level you join at, okay? So you will receive a high converting funnel, you will receive pre-written follow-up emails, you will receive a done for you sales video, okay? So you don't have to create any of that yourself. You want to actually consider what level. Now, based on a specific level called Vertex Live, which you'll see much more information on that overview video, if you join at that level or higher, you're even going to receive 200 clicks of top tier traffic to your funnel link, so you can start to get traffic right away. That's step 2. And then step 3 is, again, drive traffic. So once you have your funnel set up, your only job is to get traffic, get clicks to your link. Okay, now one thing I do on my team is I actually give you my videos. So you can upload my own videos on your YouTube channel to start to get free organic traffic on YouTube. We also have some other traffic strategies, and you can even choose to run paid traffic. Now, I'm actually using free traffic to generate those commissions. But again, feel free, if you want to just use paid traffic, you can do that as well. So I wanted to share with you these results. I wanted to share with you what's possible with partnering with our team. Now, step 1 is go to the link below, watch that overview, and then choose a level, and then also start running traffic, okay? So I hope you got value in this video. Take action, my friend. And if you're watching this on Facebook, by the way, comment 2K under this video, and I will shoot you over information if you are watching this on Facebook rather than YouTube or somewhere else. So thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will talk very soon.